Hey guys, I want to show you what a house looks like in Mexico City. I'm in Mexico City right now and I'm staying in an Airbnb. The houses around here look a lot like houses in Europe. I've been all around Europe and these houses remind me a lot of Europe. The only difference is that it's a lot greener here. There's a lot of really nice plants and bushes. Like you can see here, nice shrubs. Okay, look at these big trees. Wow, there's such nice trees here in Mexico City. Okay, so I'm going to take you inside the house I'm staying, and you can see what it looks like. Okay, now we're inside. So this is the living room here. I don't know who was living in this place before, because you know how Airbnb works, right? B&B stands for bed and breakfast. Okay, so the people are not here. I'm renting their house. I think they're somewhere else. They might have moved overseas and now they are using their house as like a hotel. That's how Airbnb works. You make your house into a hotel. Okay, so living room, and over here we have a lot of little things. I have no idea what these things are. Some CDs. Do you still have CDs in your house? CDs have gone the way of the dodo. That means they've gone extinct. Nobody even uses CDs anymore. Okay, so let's take a look inside a bathroom. Bathroom is very normal, very standard bathroom. Toilet, sink, mirror, soap. What more could you ask for in a bathroom? Okay, so I guess here's a little den or a study area. Okay, and then here we go to the kitchen. A nice, pretty big kitchen here. Counter, stove, a 4-burner stove. These things are called burners. Okay, it's a gas stove. Look, see, it's gas. And yeah, oven, microwave, fridge. Nice glass doors here. You can go outside there, a lot of nice green plants. See, there's a lot of greenery. This house reminds me a lot of a European house, the way it's sort of set up. I'll take you upstairs. So a house like this is sort of narrow and tall. So it goes up 3 stories. Okay, so let's go up the stairs here. Now, there's a bedroom over there, and there's a bedroom over here, and I think in here, I actually don't have the key for this bedroom and that bedroom. I only have the key for my bedroom here. So I'm only renting like 1 bedroom, even though I'm the only person in this whole house, and I'm paying 40 Canadian dollars a night, which is about 30 US per night. Okay, so let's go up these cool stairs here. Okay, now we're on the 3rd floor of the house. Now, if we go out this way, look, we have a nice little roof area. This is what I love about other countries. In Canada, we don't have anything like this. There's no flat roofs in Canada. So you can't go up on your roof and enjoy the sun. It's crazy. Like, this style of house is so much better than what we have in Canada. I love this style, to be able to come up on your roof, enjoy the sun a little bit. That's so amazing. So now let's go across to the other side of the roof. Okay, now we're on the other side. Look at that, we can look down onto the street here. Okay, look, there's the street, really beautiful. All right, so that's the house I'm staying. So, like I said, it's pretty narrow, right? I mean, the house starts, I think it starts from here, and it ends over there by this wall here. So it's a pretty narrow house, but it's long and it's tall. It reminds me of houses in Germany and the Netherlands, especially. I'm not sure about other countries in Europe, but Central Europe, it reminds me a lot of the houses there. And there are some water tanks on the roof. Okay, you don't see that in Canada. We don't have water tanks like that in Canada. So the houses are completely different. Here in Mexico City. I'm not sure about other parts of Mexico, but I really like the style of houses here in Mexico City. Now, I don't know about, if everybody lives in houses like this. I'm guessing the people who own this house are wealthy, or at least middle class, medium to high. I don't know, if you're a Mexican, tell me, what do you think of this house? Is this a typical Mexican house, or is this sort of a fancy house, or what kind of people would live in a house like this? Let me know down there, because I only have very limited experience of Mexico, so I'm not sure. But hey, I love this house. I love this sort of style, and it's stone. In Canada, all the houses are made of wood. Look, that's not wood. That's the stone. Stone stairs. In Canada, they would be wooden stairs. Okay, so I don't know. I really enjoy this. I like, seeing some different stuff. But anyway, I just wanted to show that to you. Maybe you're interested to know what a Mexican house looks like.